Hello and welcome. Do you have a bad credit score? Don't worry, we can help. At Repair My Credit, we will gain you increased credit power. We remove negative items from the report and we offer 100% guaranteed results with no guesswork or shooting in the dark. If you are tired of being turned down for car loans, a mortgage, credit cards or paying extremely high interest rates, then now is the time to get your financial life in order. We start by removing inaccurate items and disputing negative reporting. Now we can laser focus on resolving your credit score. Trust us today and you would never regret. Let us change your life now. Call us at 888-995-6322. Thank you.